Modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, controlled by sophisticated electronic control units, or ECUs. Understanding how to reset these systems safely is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance. An electronic control unit, or ECU, is the brain of your car's engine management system. It continuously monitors dozens of sensors and controls critical components like fuel injectors, ignition timing, and emission systems. ECU resets become necessary when your car experiences performance issues, displays persistent error codes, has system glitches, or needs optimization after repairs. These computers can sometimes get stuck in incorrect states that affect vehicle operation. Traditional ECU resets involve disconnecting the car battery, but this method has significant drawbacks. It erases radio codes, seat positions, climate preferences, and security settings that drivers have customized over time. Modern ECU reset methods avoid these problems entirely. They preserve all your personalized settings while still addressing the underlying ECU issues. This makes the process faster, more convenient, and less disruptive to your driving experience. There are 4 primary methods for safely resetting ECUs without battery disconnection. The OBD2 diagnostic scanner method is the most professional approach, while key cycle resets can be performed by any driver. The key advantage of modern reset methods is their selective nature. Instead of resetting everything at once, you can target specific ECU systems while leaving others untouched. This surgical approach maintains critical safety systems and user preferences. Modern vehicles contain multiple specialized ECUs. The engine control module manages fuel and ignition, the transmission control module handles shifting, the body control module manages lights and security, and the ABS module controls braking systems. Safe ECU reset methods offer 3 major advantages over battery disconnection. They preserve all your customized settings, complete the process much faster, and eliminate the need for reprogramming various systems afterward. Understanding ECUs and the importance of safe reset methods sets the foundation for maintaining your vehicle properly. These computer systems are essential for modern car operation, and knowing how to reset them safely can save time, money, and frustration. The most professional method for ECU reset uses an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. This approach accesses the ECU through the vehicle's diagnostic port without affecting other systems. The key cycle reset procedure is a manual method that works on many vehicles. This involves turning the ignition on and off in a specific sequence to trigger an ECU reset. Different car manufacturers have developed their own specific reset sequences. These often involve combinations of brake pedal, accelerator pedal, or steering wheel button presses, along with ignition cycling. The fuse-based selective reset method involves removing specific ECU fuses for 10 to 15 minutes. This preserves battery-dependent systems like radio settings while resetting the targeted ECU module. Modern vehicles are moving towards centralized ECU architectures with over-the-air update capabilities. These systems allow remote ECU resets and updates without any physical intervention from the driver or technician. Regardless of which method you choose, always consult manufacturer-specific procedures and use appropriate diagnostic tools. Professional equipment ensures safe and effective ECU resets while maintaining vehicle warranty compliance.